by Lioba Brückner in 40 by 40 cm rounds. Special treatment begins with periwinkle pearls sprinkled on the blue areas on the picture. So this would be on the leaves on the side of her face, as well as the blue area in the back. The Hunt by Lioba Brückner in 40 by 40 cm rounds, version 2 special treatment, now adds desert crystals sprinkled on the brown areas of the picture. So this would be on the brown areas of her headdress, together with some areas on the bottom of the picture with some brown hues. The Hunt in 40 by 40 cm rounds, special treatment version 3 now adds abalone crystals that we have sprinkled on the dark green areas of the picture. So this would include some areas of the ribbon on her hair, on her headdress. There's a ribbon right there. We've also sprinkled some of the abalone in the dark green areas behind her, as well as trickling down right over here, some on this corner, and also down here. So you can choose the area that you'd like to highlight more as to where you would like to place your abalone crystals, but this pretty much gives it a nice glistening effect. Once again, for version 3 of the Hunt, you have a total of 3 special beads: periwinkle pearls, desert crystals, and abalone crystals.